My life starts today. A life for the road and for people. I will travel mile after mile. So much ahead of me. So many experiences. Cities, country roads, high mountains, deep valleys, heat, extreme cold. And I'll always have to be able to do my job. Because everybody will be relying on me to make sure that everything reaches its destination on time and my boss gets home safely. That's the reason why I'm full of premium quality, state-of-the-art technology. A powerful engine, perfectly integrated brake and powertrain systems. Everything for a long life and many miles on the road. If needed, there's always someone there for me. Distributors and workshops provide me with genuine new parts that are a perfect fit for me. And the professionals in the workshops keep me in shape and get me back on the road as quickly as possible. Top quality for best performance, so I don't stop. Long distances, stop and go traffic, a real test for my brakes. And no matter what, I have to be able to do my job. I can't stop. Time is money, and every mile counts. And even when I'm old one day, my boss will still be able to rely on me. I am the perfect truck-trailer combination. Each vehicle tells its own story. We make sure that its story continues with top-class spare parts in OEM quality and comprehensive services whenever and wherever we're needed. Truck Services. Keep it running.